Arrive in style with this 2012 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500 LT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 320 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 5.3-liter V8 engine, 6-way power adjustable driver's seat, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission, Bluetooth and clock, and radio display. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.